Good morning to you. The birds are chirping. The birds are chirping. The birds are chirping. The birds are chirping. The birds.
Oh, don't do it.
We're going to edit a music video today. First step is go to your library, then go to File, New Event, call it Halloween Dance Party. Make sure you create a new project inside it. You should have something that looks like this with a blank event. Now you're going to go to your Google Drive. In the folder I provided, there's 3 sections. The first one's called Backgrounds. These are going to be all the backgrounds for your party. So there's like disco scenes, there's scary backgrounds. You can also bring in more backgrounds if you like, once you get the techniques down. All right, you're going to hit the download button of those 3 little buttons up top. You're going to download them, all the files, and then bring them to your event. Next, I have a bunch of green screen dancers. We're going to be able to key that green out. And then we were lucky enough to have Omir dance, and he danced in front of the green screen so we could put him in our video. The sound's not on, but it goes very well. So that's fun. Now let's get started. First thing we're going to need to do is bring in our music. I brought some music. It's also in the folder. So do the music. After the music, we're going to have a background. But before I even do that, I'm going to hit a little M right where the beat comes in. And that's going to let me know when I should change backgrounds and change scenes. That's a very important part. All right. So now I'm going to bring my background in from up top. I'm going to copy and paste it, Command C, Command V, so it kind of repeats itself. So here's kind of a disco background. I can resize it, I can crop it, I can do anything. All right, here's kind of a fun background just to start with. And I have my little M's there, the marks where the beat drops, so before I even start there, what I might do is bring this little clown in just to give everybody a little scare, let them know it's a Halloween party. He's playing with a balloon. I'm going to try to have the balloon pop right around when the beat drops. So I'm going to resize it, pulling the clips left and right. But there's this green part. To get the green out, you go to Effects, which is the 2 little squares. Then you click Keying and grab Keyer and drop it on there. Effects. Then you go to Keying, then Keyer, and drop it on. Effects, Keying, Keyer. So that's how you take the green out of the green screen. All right. So I have the clown on there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in a clip of Omir here. I'm going to use the select tool. So whatever's yellow is the piece that I'm going to be grabbing. So I want to make sure that he kind of comes in and he's somewhat on the beat. Even though it's a different song, we'll make it work. And I could move him around. I could transform him. I could crop him. Whatever. Again, I use the keyer tool to get the green out of there. Now I'm going to add this ghost. He's going to come in. We're all going to join the party. And again, same thing. Bring the green screen in, go to Effects, Keying, Keyer to get the green out. Sometimes these clips are going to have a little bit of sound to them like this one does. Make sure that you always take the sound out of the clips or else you're going to have 2 songs playing at once, which is going to be incredibly distracting. So to do that, you just put the mouse over and yank the sound out. So I'm going to flip Omir around here. I'm going to add the ghost here, and now we're having a party. All right, so what I did is I doubled him by hitting Command C, Command V, and putting the 2 clips on top of each other. Just like Pixlr, with Final Cut in a project like this, you could have as many layers as you want. I'm going to throw some aliens in there too, just because I think it'll look nice before the transition. So that's going to kind of be my first scene with all these people. In the beginning, I changed it around a little bit. I wasn't super happy with the way it's turned out. Let's take a look at these kids playing some sort of patty cake game in the next part. So here I isolated that clip of them clapping. Next, I'm going to go to the stopwatch tool and to make it fast. So you can adjust how fast you want it, 2 times, 4 times, 5 times. But when it's fast, the clip is super slow. So what I'm going to do is make it fast and then copy and paste it one after another. So it looks like they're just clapping super fast into the beat. All right, so then when you watch it, it looks something like that. That's at 4 times speed. I'll show you another little trick about copying and pasting clips. All right, next scene, let's have a really cool sequence where Omir is dancing in a scary cemetery at night. There we go. I got the clips lined up. I have the cemetery underneath. Again, effects, keying, keyer, bring that in. I'm going to use that to make everything a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to bring that keyer in. All right, now watch this trick here. What I'm going to do is copy and paste it 4 times. But now, instead of speeding it up, what I'm going to do is, you see like each time it repeats, there's a little bit of a jump because it kind of loops and starts in the beginning. So watch this. It like loops and stops, and it creates a weird kind of a jump that I don't like. So to avoid that, what I do is every other clip I reverse it. So that way it kind of starts and ends someplace similar. Take a look. So instead of him changing spots, it looks like he's just reversing whatever he's doing. So that's a little trick if you want to repeat clips like that. So for your project, you are going to have multiple backgrounds. You're going to repeat clips. You're going to change the speed of things. You are going to change things on the beat. Good luck. Make the scariest, most fun dance party you can this week. This is video 1. I will add a bit more tomorrow.